Welcome to another new video, guys. Have your fun. Stay safe.
I think you're good. Anyway, be sure to stick with that. But obviously, I'm gonna read this because this is like a letter from. Obviously, he can't write to everybody, and he's had this massive.
For the Democrats, the leader of last week's military coup in Niger has condemned sanctions imposed on the country by the West African Regional Bloc. General Abdurrahman Chiani described the measures as illegal and inhumane. The United States has ordered all non-emergency embassy staff and family members to leave Niger. Some British nationals have flown out of the country on a flight arranged by France. Gwent police are reviewing...
Literally, he can't move. That's why I was trying to push him.
Why did he drive off? Why did he just stop?
I didn't move. I didn't know.
Yeah.
Just hit my kids in it. What is wrong with you?
Listen, ma'am.
No.
Ma'am,
What
I'm
is
going to
wrong
park
with
it
you?
here. One man just carry it in. And this was his mum. I'm going to park it here. What's going on, mate?
His gearbox has gone, so he's trying to think. I don't know. Oh, they don't have to rock it, but...
Right, the gearbox has gone, he's rocking the truck there. Put the clutch in, though?
No, I think because the gearbox, I think it's engaged, isn't it?
Oh, is it?
Turn the steering wheel that way. Yeah. No, the steering wheel. That's it.
Go on, you're running more.
Go on. Ready? Go.
Turn them out if you can. You're turning your steering wheel, are you? Yeah, turn that end.
What's he doing?
No, I think... Turn them. That'll do him. Yeah. Nice one. Gee. Sorry, mate.
Then, as that car did, that car's got into the bush and he got into us. He fucked his wheel up. He carried on driving up to that bend, and then
He's off his nut. Yeah. He's absolutely pissed out of his brain. You're trying to be sick now.
Are you sticking your fingers down your throat, mate? What are you doing?
I don't feel well.
Well, you won't feel well if you stick your fingers down your throat.
I am. My wife cheated on me. Sorry, I'm going through a divorce.
Yeah. My niece got killed by a drunk driver, so I've got no sympathy.
I know, I understand.
I've got no sympathy. Just take responsibility. You're lucky nothing else happened. You are lucky. You don't... Alright? Have a nice holiday. Whenever you eventually get there, you'll be on your way soon, won't you?
Yeah.
Could have been a lot worse, couldn't it?
Yeah, I know, but...
Got lucky.
Yeah, I know, I'll tell you what, it's...
Dipsticks like that kill people. Well, you're lucky, mate.
We had loads of witnesses as well.
You're lucky, yeah. Unbelievable. People get up to. He was saying I was divorced from his wife, la-di-la-di-la. I said, I don't care. I said, I've got no sympathy for you. You take responsibility.
Yeah, I know.
You're lucky you didn't kill anyone.
Double over the limit.
Lucky, yeah. Has he actually blown it, has he?
Yeah, 60. Oh. He went over 60.
Yeah, he was throwing up, sticking fingers down his throat and everything.
Oh.
Alright, all sorted.
Cheers, mate, yeah.
Alright, have a good one.
Yeah, cheers.
See ya. Bye-bye.
And claims lines he can call 24/7, 365 days a year. So if he gets a blocked train, a broken boil, a plumbing emergency, he takes it all in his stride. Search Home Serve today. We're on our way. UK mainland only. We aim to respond same or next day with emergency.
If you're lost in music, stuck in the middle, or just walking on the move, there's travel updates at greatesthitsradio.co.uk.
Say hello to Chase.